Hello viewers, I have an important announcement to make. I have dwelt at length on various aspects of nature. I have dealt with the rippling waters of lakes, flowing streams, chirping birds, and floating clouds, etc., along with the hustle and bustle of the city lives. But many viewers have asked me to speak something on literary theory, literary criticism, and the analysis of individual authors and their masterpieces. Hence, from now onwards, I would be dealing with these topics and showing you these visuals.